So you've written your first line of JavaScript and you called the alert function. And you're probably proud and happy about this, but I'm going to tell you, don't ever do this again. Alert is a really bad idea to use. As you might see here, when we reload the page, it blocks everything, meaning the CSS doesn't even get displayed before we press OK. And then we can see the page. So we don't want that. Instead, I want you to write console.log and just get some hello from JavaScript again. Type this now and save it and see what happens. Of course, you need to pause the video, so pause the video now. Did you see anything happening? No, apparently not. But in your browser, try and go to the console here. And there it says the text you just wrote, hello from JavaScript. So this console is actually the console here. So here you say, okay, console, this console, would you mind logging this text? And you can also log another text and save that, and it logs this one. So now you have the exact same thing. This is a function. There's something with this dot here we'll come back to in a moment, but log is a function and it has a set of parentheses, and inside that there's some argument, and the argument is what should the console log. If you close the inspector and you reload the page, you can't see anything. So everything you log to the console is only visible to any user who opens the console. And while this is invisible to the normal user of your web page, it's extremely useful for you as a developer because you can see what is going on. So in your JavaScript, you can add several lines of console log and yet another here. You can have all these lines, and every single time you do something in JavaScript, you can console log it just to see that your program goes on. Here you can see it performs line 1 and then it performs line 3. So console log, extremely useful, but just for you as a developer, you also want something to happen on the screen. That'll be in the next step.